Off 522 on Scotts Mill Road in Culpeper County, Virginia, there's the most amazing 300-acre farmette. Virginia Bison Company at Cibola Farms is a welcoming and visually breathtaking property. When you check in at the farm store, be certain to look around at their impressive shop as well as grab a map to find out where the herds are for the day, as the herds are moved frequently because they try to honor the bison's natural instinct to graze while roaming in packs. The gravel roads just beyond the entrance gate steps are very steep in a lot of locations. We saw an array of animals, including goats, dogs, pigs, chickens, and of course, their bison. See the links below to their website to purchase a multitude of bison products, including meat, hides, and bones. See how they got started and how these guys use sustainable and humane techniques to ensure comfort in the animals on the second link. And on the third link, it's a direct link to a pretty funny story about how some of the herd got loose one day. Thank you for watching, and click the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.